Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and make us a breakfast sandwich right now. I went ahead and get some ingredients ready. So I got bread, I got Canadian bacon, some cheese, some veggies just to keep me full. Alright. And then some egg slurs just because they're easier to measure. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Alright guys, so we got about 2 ounces of Canadian bacon in here. Alright, so each one is about 60 calories, 10 grams of protein. So I think that's pretty good in my opinion. Let me just do a quick flip. I like mine to be a little caramelized. So let me flip this one again. There we go. Alright. Get a little of this Salt Bae action here. Yeah. I'm roasting it just a little bit just to get get some color on it, get some char on it, because I just think that tastes better. It's about like you said, so there's 60 grams in here. Each serving is going to be 30. So yeah. Okay, so once I see a little color like this on there, you see how it's a little charred, right? I don't want it too much, otherwise this is going to be tasting like a burnt flavor. So now I'm going to go ahead and add, oh no, all of our spinach in there. Just pick that up, throw it in there. It's gonna die down anyways, so don't worry about it, guys. Okay, I promise. All right, guys, so once you got your spinach and peppers to look like this, you wanna go ahead, add your eggs in there, okay? So, this is about 100 grams of eggs. I put in, like I said, I'm making this for 2 people, so it's about 50 grams per serving. So the idea was for it to be an omelet, or like some kind of fold, but it's looking like that's not gonna happen. So it's okay. Just, you know, try your best. The idea was for it to be an omelet, but now it's starting to look like scrambled eggs. So yeah, if you guys can make an omelet, let me know. Yeah, tag me, and yeah, I'd love to see it. All right, so now you're gonna go ahead, toast your bread into the air fryer for about a minute. Let's see. 2 minutes if you want it super crispy. Oh, that's not right. Try that again. Hold on. Boom, boom. There we go. See, I got it. Okay. All right. So now once you have everything all set up, all right, you're gonna go ahead and just assemble your sandwich. So grab a little spoon. Right. Grab your cheese. Okay. I like cheese in mine. You don't have to put cheese in yours. You know. Just whatever you want, you know, it's your recipe if you don't want cheese. So we're gonna go ahead, we add the bacon, and then add this on top. I'm gonna measure out. So this total was 162. I'm gonna measure about 81 grams. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the slices in there. Okay. When you cook this, you know, mine's a little cold just because I'm recording, but when you cook this, ideally, everything should still be hot. When you put this on there, and you throw the egg in there, that, boom, you get it to look like this. Okay, and then once you wrap it, right, just wrap it up for like 30 seconds, and then that cheese is gonna be melted. Guys, I started recording this at 9 o'clock. It is now 11. It took me 2 hours to record. So, once everything's put together and it's nice and wrapped like this, okay, full transparency, mine got a little cold, so I threw it into the microwave. Alright? Yeah. Alright? And this is what it should look like.
Look at the cheesy gushiness of it.
This is what it should look like.
The gushy wetness? Oh.
Nice. Okay, so then you're gonna go ahead, take your bite.
This is a morning cheeseburger. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Morning cheeseburger. See that cheese?
Oh yeah. And guys, the macros for this 200. Hold on, let me get my notebook. 232 calories with 29 grams of protein. Alright guys? Just so you guys know. Alright? So yeah.